Generally, under the doctrine of substantial performance, when a party has substantially performed under a contract, they may recover under that contract even though they failed in some manner to comply with the entire agreement. But what if the contract includes an express condition, that is, an explicitly stated event that must occur before the other party is required to perform? Does the doctrine of substantial performance still apply? The Pennsylvania Superior Court considered this question in Jackson v. Richards 5 and Dime. Richards 5 and Dime, operating under the trade name REO Discount Stores, which we'll call Richards, owned a few variety stores located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. On December 30th, 1974, Herbert Jackson entered into an oral agreement to purchase two REO stores for $60,000. At the time, Jackson was the manager at both stores. Afterward, Jackson took control of the stores and began operating them as his own. 1 month later, Jackson and Richards signed a written agreement. Under the agreement, Jackson was required to make a $5,000 down payment for the purchase. Prior to closing, however, Jackson provided Richards with a personal check that bounced. Further, at the closing date, Jackson failed to appear, and Richards sought to regain control of its stores. A few weeks later, Jackson and Richards signed a second agreement. Under that agreement, Jackson was required to make a $2,000 down payment in cash and provide a deed to his house, which would only be recorded in the event of default. Further, the agreement provided several express conditions, including that Jackson would submit proof he paid off various debts and applied for a Small Business Administration loan. Jackson never submitted proof that he paid off the debts or applied for the loan. As a result, Richards seized the stores. In addition, Richards recorded the deed to Jackson's house. Subsequently, Jackson sued Richards in the Court of Common Pleas based in equity and sought a preliminary injunction to prevent Richards from transferring or encumbering his home. In the action, Jackson argued that he substantially performed the contract and therefore was entitled to recover under it. Following trial, the court denied Jackson relief and ordered him to pay Richards $10,000 in damages. Jackson appealed to the Pennsylvania Superior Court.